Step into a world of elegance and serenity with this stunning suburban residence, where vibrant gardens and exquisite design come together to create a picturesque haven. This high-resolution photograph captures a two-story abode that epitomizes modern suburban charm, featuring beige siding complemented by crisp white trim and a sophisticated dark gray roof. At the heart of this enchanting home lies a prominent wooden front door, adorned with a tasteful glass window that invites guests to explore further. Supporting a small porch with graceful white railings, two stately stone columns stand as guardians of this inviting entrance. The meticulous landscaping of the front yard showcases a symphony of colors, with carefully arranged flower beds that dance along the curved concrete pathways. In these vibrant gardens, a delightful array of flora flourishes, with striking purple, pure white, and bold red flowers, creating a captivating tableau. Lush green shrubs and petite bushes add depth and texture, while a strikingly round, grass-like plant commands attention in the foreground flower bed. The lush lawn, a vibrant shade of green, perfectly complements the home's aesthetic, while a tall, bushy pink plant adds a touch of whimsy to the right side of the house. Flanking the entrance, two pristine white garage doors provide functionality without sacrificing style, while a large arched window on the right side enhances the home's architectural elegance. The backdrop of tall, verdant trees hints at a tranquil wooded area, further enriching the sense of peace and privacy. The overall atmosphere of this charming suburban home tour is one of harmony, where neatness and vibrant color coalesce to create an inviting environment. The soft shadows and bright sunlight suggest a moment of magic, either in the early morning or late afternoon, inviting one to revel in the beauty of this exquisite residence. Join us as we celebrate the art of elegant design and flourishing gardens, showcasing a suburban home that truly embodies charm and sophistication.